Hey guys, we're going into the trading week of October 26th through the 30th, 2015. 2 weeks ago, I sat here with a neutral bias. We were slightly above 2,000 and said I really didn't know what was going to happen with the market. I was just going to keep an eye on that 2,000 level. Well, 2 weeks later and 75 points higher, and it is clear that the bulls are in charge. It has been the Michael Jordan bounce going on. He took off from the free throw line, just boom down all those bears, and nobody knows what hit them. So now, moving forward, are we overbought? Yes. Do I think it's the time to look for further upside? Not necessarily, but this Bulls jersey will stay on now while above 2,000. The Bulls earn the benefit of the doubt. They've had it for the last few years. We got a little uncertain in August and September, but they have reassured people like me who were looking for the next directional move, and it has clearly been to the upside. August was clearly a buying opportunity, and I don't think that this bounce is clearly a selling opportunity. So I am bullish on the market into the end of the year now, as long as you stay above 2,000. Any dip that stays above 2,000, I think you buy the dip. I think you do go higher. I think we challenge the all-time high possibly, or at least try and challenge 2,100. In the immediate term, we're right on top of 2075. Maybe we come down, back test 2050. But again, to be clear, anything above 2,000, I think you buy it. I think we're going higher. Keep an eye on 2058. That is last year's close. We had a lot of congestion on either side of 2058 earlier in the year as the market kind of struggled to pick a move. And here we are 9 months later, and we're still right around 2058. So the market's kind of flat on the year, which is crazy considering the volatility, but that's just the way it goes. So keep watching 2058 in the immediate term. Individual trades, Apple has earnings this week on Tuesday after the close. Stock rallied very strongly last week, and I think a lot of a positive earnings reaction has gotten priced into the stock right now. So I wouldn't be surprised if you see Apple sell off on earnings no matter what the report is. But if that does happen, I think you buy the dip on Apple now versus 115. Google, Amazon both gapped higher on Friday, but they closed on their lows, similar to their earnings reports in July. I think you could see those coming down a little bit. But like the dips that they had in August showed, they were buying opportunities as well. So bottom line, I think you're bullish on the market. Anything, any reason to try and get bearish, I think you're just hoping. Maybe you're citing reasons that while they're valid, the market is just not recognizing them right now. So I don't think you fight this trend. Get below 2,000, we can start selling off again. But until that happens, I'll be playing ball with Mr. MJ.